Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz here with your midday market update for Thursday, the 11th of October. A surprisingly big drop in weekly jobless claims have helped to stop the sell-off Thursday despite news of a downgrade of Spain's sovereign credit rating. The Labor Department also reported that claims this week, or last week, fell by 30,000 to 339,000, the lowest level since February of 2008. The figures were another indication that the world's largest economy is over its summer soft patch and may be gaining traction in the fourth quarter of this year. With that, let's move on. We'll take a look at the major markets and a couple stocks that are in the news today with our trade triangle technology. As you see, we're here on our Market Club homepage. Today on the members blog, we put up a thing that the trade deficit widened to $44.2 billion. And a discussion over there. So if you're a member, get over to the members blog. Tell us what you think. Go in there. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in there as well. But with that, we'll move along to our portfolio. As you see, we're here in our Market Club portfolio. We'll go down and find today's Market Club update, and we'll just start here with the Dow Jones. Currently with a score of negative 70, intermediate and short-term traders are short-term traders are shortest market, intermediate-term traders are on the sidelines, and long-term traders are still long this market based on our monthly trade triangle that is positive. But as you can see there's that big weekly intermediate-term trend direction. We signaled an exit yesterday at 13,367.27. Currently, exit the score is negative 70. Moving along. The Nasdaq's going to follow suit pretty close with the Dow Jones, negative 70. Intermediate-term traders are on the sidelines. Short-term traders can be in a short position. And long-term, we're still holding our long position with appropriate money management stops based on this monthly green trade triangle. As you can see, actually, the Nasdaq triggered a weekly exit a day earlier than the Dow at 3,080.28. Currently up a little bit, about 0.16%, about 4 points on the day, currently trading at 3,056.73. Moving along to the S&P 500, still at a plus 65. Long-term and intermediate-term traders are still long this market. Short-term traders are on the sidelines based on this daily red exit, which we actually got on 10-9 at 14.5108. Currently trading at 14.3752. And they up just a little bit, 0.34. Markets were kind of up a lot up at the open today. I think the Dow's up as much as 92 points around that level shortly after the open, after the jobless report came out this morning. However, it slid back down to its current level. So, still in the positive, but staving off a little bit of those gains this morning. Moving along, crude oil. Crude oil's moved up to a plus 75. We had a short-term exit from a short position on 10-9 at 92.05. Currently, long-term traders are still long this position, or long crude oil, based on the monthly trade triangle. Intermediate term and short-term are on the sidelines right at the moment, based on those signals. Again, with the score of plus 75, it's kind of made its way down to almost that 88 level, kind of a level of resistance here, as you can see. And we'll just kind of put a trend line in there real quick. And you can see right across that level is kind of where we're looking at resistance for this market right now. With that, we'll move along to the next market here. The EURUSD, plus 85. Intermediate and long-term traders are still long this currency. Short-term traders are presently on sidelines in a trading range. As you can see, it's just kind of flattening out a little bit here. Of course, the news with Spain, still with the Greek debacle going on and everything over in Europe, they even all this whole year haven't gotten anything settled and set in stone yet for that situation. Their gold's a plus 55 in a trading range. Intermediate and long-term traders are still long this position based on the trade triangles with that score of plus 55, but short-term traders are on the sideline based on a daily exit last week at 1771.58. Currently trading 1769.32. A lot of traders, Adam himself, and even I'm still bullish this market. We're still looking for it sometime in the next 6 to 12 months to head over the $2,000 range. especially coming out of the elections next month. Speaking of that, you do have the debates tonight, so we'll be putting a poll up after the debates, to let us know who you thought was better. Did some things change your mind on what was going on? So make sure you check into both the members blog and our I Know blog after the debates tonight to vote on that poll and weigh in with your comments. We love to hear what you have to say about it. Moving along to silver. Silver's still negative 55, kind of moving into a trading range out of such a negative position. Long-term traders are still long this position based on the monthly trade triangle. Intermediate term and short-term traders are both on the sidelines based on a red weekly and a green daily, currently trading at 34.13. Copper's has really been, it's a plus 85, so it may be coming out of the trading range that it's been in. You can kind of see it's kind of bounced along that 370 level a couple times. It's definitely an area of resistance. Actually, everybody went long today. Intermediate, long-term, and short-term traders are long, especially short-term, based on this daily trade triangle at $3.77 today. So with gaining momentum to plus 85, this market may be heading higher in the future. We'll have to see if that continues through the end of this week and early part of next week. We'll be sure to take a look at that tomorrow. A couple of stocks in the news today. Sprint had big news that they're maybe getting bought out by a Japanese firm. There was all this talk last week and earlier this part of this week about them buying Metro PCS, but it looks like things have changed. Had a big jump today. It's actually up 13% on the market. Went to a plus 100 based on this green weekly trade triangle. I believe there's actually a daily hiding under there as well, as we'll turn that off. So you both had a daily and a weekly today. Currently trading at 571. We'll have to see if the big news continues this on the momentum, but you can see been quite a nice performer with the monthly here. You originally got long at 285. You could either held that position to a current, or there was a couple trades in between there, but you still caught this big one from 262 up to 496 using the trade triangle. So you can definitely find positive trades even in a sidelines market. And the other one is everybody's waiting for JP Morgan Chase to announce earnings after the close of business today. Right now, all time frames, intermediate, long-term, and short-term, are long this position from a plus 90. We've actually been long this market, looks like, from around the 37.54 level on the long-term basis. Actually, I'm sorry, my apologies. We actually had a exit there, but we've gotten back long at 38.86, holding that position now currently at 42.26. So I have to see if they continue to outperform and what their ratings are going to look like this afternoon. I'm sure all eyes will be watching that, and I should have if it's positive, they should have a good market here. And you can actually see some moving averages I got there, and you could think I even was looking at the MACD earlier today. You can kind of see it crossed down, but it's kind of leveling out now, and it looks like it may be ready. Divergence is pretty much zero, so no one's really leaning one way or the other right now. So it may be set to be off to the races. We'll have to see how that's going to turn out. We'll definitely take a look at this chart tomorrow after the earnings come out tonight and see what's going on. With that, I remind you to check in tonight after the debates for our poll that we'll have up. Weigh in, vote. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And with that, every success in trading today, and I will talk to you tomorrow at 1 p.m. for our end of the week wrap up, and maybe we'll take a look at some 52-week highs with potential trades on that as well. Have a great trading day.